多謝主席。其實咧，我一開始嘅時候咧，其實都想先開始即係多謝郭輝先生咧，能夠澄清，即係話民建聯咧係冇參與到呢個成個嘅過程。咁因為實際上一開始嘅時候咧，即係已經我哋立法會議員啦，我哋有啲議員就講到，即係話民建聯就係要喺有利益衝突啊，仲要咧民建聯要嚟呢個避席啊等等呢啲，即係呢啲咁樣一開始就已經即係將件事好政治。咁所以我其實都想第一個問題問咩叫做政治任務、政治干預嘅？即係其實呢啲真係聽完之後咧，我頭先聽完阿郭輝先生嘅澄清就話佢嘅政治任務、政治干預嘅理解咧，就係因為聽到話有啲嘅外邊非政府嘅人士嚟講咧，就提及到呢個係因為咁樣俾咗共融基金會嗰個咧，就可以令到民建聯可以有逐戶可以同呢方面嘅接觸嘅呢種感覺，呢個叫做政治任務、政治干預形成成個概念。我就想問翻阿郭輝生，你呢種咁嘅感覺，即係唔係你就將佢變成咗一種係政府嘅行為、政府嘅要求呢？第一個問題。第二個問題咧，因為我睇到阿秘書長咧俾你嘅答，即係有一方面嘅回覆之中咧，第3頁咧就喺第8段多次強調咧，就話郭輝先生當時係堅稱，近日亦再確認佢冇受到呢個印象嘅影響，一直都以公正持平嘅方式去進行一個嘅評審程序。嗱，因為我哋而家香港人最關心一樣嘅就係程序嘅公義，到底過程之中係唔係受到咗有外來，特別係政治因素各方面嘅影響？除咗政治因素，仲有不公平嘅，呢個就係程序公義係最重要，我覺得呢點。咁喺咁情況下邊，郭輝生你多次都提及到呢個過程之中，你認為係公正持平嘅，咁你以現時覺得呢個程序係唔係咧？仍係咪都堅持呢個講法？係抑或秘書長而家屈緊你講，你根本就唔認為持平公正？呢個第二個問題。第3個問題咧，就係我都好想知道嚇，郭輝生你對你即係剛才都兩位都講咗話評分，你嘅評分比個機構嘅評分又係點嘅咧？第4個問題就係頭先都可能講不多，聽到而家我都唔明嘅，就係點解嚟講咧？即係會即係你唔去嗰時決定就俾社聯咧？其實呢個問題即刻解決，呢個係你做主管部門自己嘅決定啊嘛。點解搞出有一個大頭佛出嚟咧？係嘛？最後一個即係你提及到咧，即係有啲即係有電話俾你咁嗰個係邊個嚟嘅咧？可唔可以講翻？多謝主席。
你問5個問題，其中第一、第二個咧，郭輝先生之前咧，即係其他啲相關嘅原文嘅時候，佢已經答咗㗎啦，係嘛？咁就因為我哋時間所限咧，我就唔想喺呢度重複，所以我哋希望郭輝先生你答佢嬲尾嗰3個問題，第3個、第4個同第5個 ，OK？
Sorry, it was a long speech. Can you repeat questions 3, 4, and 5? I know one was about the scores. I don't recall the other.
你或者答嬲尾嗰個啦，即係嗰個評分啦，你對兩個機構嗰個評分。
Yes. I haven't had access to the files, but my memory is that I scored the inclusion as the highest scorer by about half a point. So a very marginal difference.
另外一個問題咧就係即係關於民建聯嘅咁你頭先即係你之前咧，就喺呢嗰個即係聲明裏邊咧，你就話唔關葛珮帆事，又唔關民建聯事，係嘛？咁但係頭先阿葉國謙議員就即係話多謝你澄清民建聯冇參與咁當然呢個大家唔同理解啦即係點都好啦。咁但係你又提到咧，即係話有啲機構佢可以接觸到啲低收入人士去拍門嘅，咁呢個會唔會有啲政治嘅作用喺度咧？咁你自己都唔係好清楚，咁你可唔可以呢個問題再詳細啲説明一下？係咪益咗民建聯咧？
唔係，仲有一個問題就係即係兩樣，郭輝生即係評嘅，淨係講呢個 即係呢個共融基金其他嘅分數佢應該俾。頭先嗰兩位都有提及到嘅。
OK
就係關乎到電話，即係到底
嗰個已經講咗唔講得㗎啦嘛，嗰個已經講咗唔講得㗎啦嘛。OK。嗰個即係你冇聽清楚個會，即係提任何人名都唔得嘅，除非佢哋宣誓作證，已經講咗㗎啦，係咪？唔好再重複問呢個問題。葛輝先生。
Let me say first of all, I can't tell you the scores I gave to other organisations because I don't remember them. I'm more than happy for the government to provide the report of the evaluation committee, which I believe has the individual evaluator scores. If they're not in the report, then the government has absolutely my consent to give full disclosure of all relevant documents. I would prefer that they don't have a selective disclosure, though. In terms of the political assignment, I really do need to make absolutely clear. I have never said that the DAB were not involved. I have no reason to say that. I have said that Dr. Quat was not involved. I have no reason to say that the DAB was not involved. Quite the contrary. I was informed by somebody who was in a position to know that a promise had been made to some members of the DAB that if that the project would be awarded to IPRO-A and that they would be able to use their position as the winner of this project to arrange for DAB sympathisers to knock on the doors of low-income families with the aim of gaining some sort of political or electoral advantage. I had no reason to doubt what I was told by that person, and that person was certainly in a position to know. I'm not willing to identify the person unless I'm compelled to do so by law. But it's very nice to be thanked by Mr. Ip, but I think his thanks in this case are misplaced.
阿葛輝正話嗰個答案喺嬲尾嗰 part 咧係好清楚㗎啦，即係睇下你點樣去即係解讀嘅啫。咁就要知道真相咧就唔係口話口賠嘅 ，OK 係嘛？咁真相就係即係好似葛輝先生所講，可能就真係要有一個專責委員會。咁佢提出嗰啲所謂知情人士咧，就唔係一個即係隱匿嘅消息來源，而係一個真人係嘛？喺我哋嘅聆訊裏邊作證咯。係咪？如果唔係呢個問題，永遠都解決唔到嘅。OK 係嘛？即係冇答案嘅，都係口話口賠嘅啫。而家係秘書長。
主席容許我代劉吳慧蘭局長咧作一個澄清，因為其實咧葛輝先生提嘅文件咧都係有提到劉吳慧蘭局長有講過啲嘢嘅。局長係授權我，劉太授權我咧有以下嘅回應嘅。葛輝先生早前公開表示，劉太或蘇先生從未對佢施加壓力，要佢作出不當嘅行為。但另一方面咧，葛輝先生5月26號提交嘅文件咧，又指劉太曾向佢表示，政治上最好嘅結果係某個機構嘅成員可以上門敲門向低收入家庭提供優惠。劉太強烈否認有關嘅轉述，認為葛輝嘅說法咧前言不對後語，自相矛盾，不合邏輯。劉太由始至終係冇參與徵求建議書嘅制定、評審同埋覆檢委員會嘅工作嘅。劉太指出，佢同我喺舊年8月聽取葛輝先生就呢一項計劃嘅評審結果作出匯報嘅時候咧，會面嘅時候期間難免係有提及個別倡議同埋執行機構嘅名字嘅，但佢清楚記得係冇表示支持某一個機構，反而係強調遴選過程公平公正嘅重要嘅。劉太可以確確實實指出，佢本人從未就計劃接獲或者轉達任何政治任務。多謝主席。